Explore the Aptera solar electric vehicle, an innovative three-wheeled EV that combines a unique aerodynamic design with a cutting-edge solar power system. Designed to offer charge-free commuting in sunny weather, the Aptera is touted as the world's first never-charged electric vehicle, featuring a variety of battery packs ranging from 25 to 100 kilowatt-hours. The largest pack provides an impressive range of up to 1,000 miles, while the basic model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6 seconds, thanks to its two in-wheel motors delivering over 100 horsepower. With a solar array and a battery range of 200 miles, the Aptera meets stringent safety requirements and is classified as a motorcycle. Constructed from lightweight yet durable composite materials, it starts at an affordable price of $25,900, making it a standout competitor in the electric vehicle industry. Explore Culver Mobility, a leading provider of creative solutions that enhance freedom and independence for individuals with diverse mobility needs. Culver Mobility offers a range of premium electric wheelchairs and scooters designed to be compact and easy to store. Their Kanano model, available in black and blue, is user-friendly and priced at $1,299, down from its original price of $1,889. The Wolf model, an electric folding wheelchair, combines lightweight design with powerful performance, featuring a lithium battery that supports up to 330 pounds. These wheelchairs reflect Culver Mobility's commitment to ensuring that all customers can navigate the world with comfort and ease. Explore the Candela C8, an elegant and technologically advanced electric boat that represents the pinnacle of modern maritime innovation. Made in Sweden, the C8 is crafted entirely from carbon fiber, incorporating aerospace design principles to achieve a lightweight yet incredibly durable structure. With a 69 kilowatts battery pack from Postar 2 Electric Performance Fastback, it offers the market's longest electric range and the fastest charging times. The C8 features an innovative SE foil system that enables hydrofoiling, providing an exceptionally quiet and smooth ride. When traveling at speeds above 16 knots, its folding mode enhances efficiency and extends range. The thoughtfully designed interior includes ample storage, a marine head, and adjustable LED lights, making it ideal for overnight stays. Starting at €330,000, the Candela C8 combines luxury with cutting-edge technology for an unparalleled boating experience. Explore the CanAm Spyder F3, a confident and powerful three-wheel motorcycle that excels in both sport riding and touring. The 2024 model, starting at $22,399, combines a relaxed seating position with exceptional performance, ensuring style and excitement on every ride. Powered by a robust 130 horsepower Rotax 1,330 cubic centimeters engine, and a 6-speed semi-automatic transmission with reverse capability, the Spyder F3 guarantees a responsive and comfortable experience. Standard features include an anti-theft system, power steering, and a vehicle stability system, while the two driving modes, Eco and Sport, allow riders to tailor their experience to their preferences. The model boasts a 10.25-inch touchscreen display with BRP Connect and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity, and with 6.5 gallons of storage capacity, the Spyder F3 is truly an adventurer's dream. Explore the Takuma ETO, an exciting and unique way to experience water fun with its self-governing electric towing boat. Designed to pull riders to any desired destination, the eTow opens up a world of limitless possibilities and sensations. Perfect for foiling, it features a twin-jet propulsion system and an innovative hydrodynamic shape that deliver a smooth and consistent pull. Unlike conventional jet skis, the eTow is easy to operate with minimal maintenance, and it prioritizes user safety with self-correcting capabilities in the event of a capsize. Controlled via a frequency that avoids interference with other watercraft signals, it offers an impressive 60 to 85 minutes of autonomy and speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. With an MSRP of $1,929 and occasional discounts bringing the price down to as low as $950, the Takuma ETO combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional value. Explore the Pumper Car Luxe, a revolutionary three-wheeled mobility solution designed for both adults and teens. This innovative vehicle blends transportation with exercise, offering a stylish and eco-friendly alternative for daily commutes. The Luxe model features a carbon fiber and aluminum frame, providing both durability and elegance. Its unique pump action mechanism delivers a full-body workout, engaging both the upper and lower body, while an electric power assist motor boosts performance. Capable of reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour with a range of approximately 25 miles on a single charge, the Pumper Car Luxe can be easily folded for compact storage and is bike lane authorized. It also includes a speedometer on the handlebars, LED lights, and handbrakes similar to those found on bicycles. Scheduled for release in 2024, the Pumper Car Luxe promises an exciting new option for eco-conscious mobility enthusiasts, though pricing details have yet to be announced. Explore the AC Future Eth, a groundbreaking mobile home designed in collaboration with the renowned Italian firm Pininfarina. This electric transformer house redefines the classic RV, offering a sustainable, eco-friendly, and luxurious living experience. With 25 kilowatts of power generated by solar panels, the ETH enables off-grid living for days, while its atmospheric water generator purifies the air and produces 50 liters of water daily. Inside, you'll find cutting-edge smart home technology in the kitchen, living area, and bedroom, ensuring a modern and comfortable lifestyle. Although pricing has yet to be officially announced, the ETH is expected to be priced higher than traditional options due to its advanced eco-friendly features and innovative design, representing a bold step towards a more expressive and environmentally conscious mobile lifestyle. Explore the Kia Concept PV5, a futuristic electric vehicle that represents Kia's ambitious vision for the automotive industry. Unveiled at CES 2024, the PV5 is part of Kia's purpose-built vehicle portfolio and showcases flexible and adaptable mobility options. Its modular architecture allows for the integration of various body shapes onto a single base, enabling the PV5 to transform throughout the day, from a delivery van to a personal recreational vehicle. Among the most intriguing possibilities is a potential pickup variation. While production confirmation is still pending, the PV5 promises a novel blend of functionality and compactness, featuring a cab-forward design that maximizes space utilization. Kia aims to make electric vehicles more accessible with the PV5 series, targeting a starting price of around $35,000. Explore the FRIKAR e-bike prototype, Podbike's revolutionary design poised to transform perceptions of electric bikes. As an enclosed, street-legal vehicle, the FRIKAR e-bike offers year-round convenience and comfort for one adult and one child, making it a forward-thinking choice for sustainable transportation. Its innovative design emphasizes low drag and high visibility, delivering exceptional performance with less air resistance compared to traditional racing bikes. The e-bike's cutting-edge features and sustainable design principles are reflected in its starting price of $8,999, positioning the FRIKAR as a premium yet accessible option for those eager to embrace the next generation of personal transportation. Explore the Kiwano K01, a revolutionary electric scooter that blends portability with excitement. As the first portable electric scooter with a single wheel, the K01 stands out in both city streets and off-road environments. With a single charge taking about an hour, it offers a travel range of 32 kilometers and a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for shorter trips. Initially priced at a competitive $800, this entry-level scooter can be customized with features like fender and grip color options, tire configurations for road or all-terrain use, and additional accessories such as a helmet and quick charger. The K01L model, priced at $1,299, highlights the brand's commitment to meeting diverse lifestyles and preferences with its sport or urban tire configurations. Explore the Inmotion V11, an electric unicycle that sets a new standard in performance and off-road capability. The Inmotion V11, priced at $2,199, was the standout product of 2023, renowned for its integrated air spring suspension system that ensures a smooth ride over uneven terrain. With a powerful 2,200-watt motor, it effortlessly tackles a 35-degree incline, achieving a top speed of 31 miles per hour and an impressive range of up to 120 kilometers. The V11 charges from 0 to 80% in just 3 hours via its dual charging connections, offering a practical range of up to 75 miles under optimal conditions and supporting a maximum load of 300 pounds. Additional features include a built-in stand for easy parking, extra-large anti-slip pedals for stability, and an automobile-level taillight for enhanced visibility, making it an ideal choice for adventurous riders. Explore the Skwheel One, the world's first electric skis that revolutionize urban travel. Designed for the adventurous city dweller, the Skwheel One features an innovative front steering mechanism, allowing you to ski on any surface year-round. With a powerful 2,400 watts of total power, including 600 watts per motor, this electric ski is equipped for exhilarating experiences. Its four-wheel drive system, 30 kilometers range, and easily replaceable batteries make it ideal for extended trips, while just 2 hours of charging time ensures you're ready for your next urban ski adventure. Priced at $2,625 upon full release, the Skwheel One is currently available for pre-order at $1,750, offering a unique blend of excitement and functionality for modern city life.